Ethiopia and her laws.
No, no, yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. It is not enough to talk of luck with words alone. For the truth we have received from Allah, yeah, to guard Ethiopia, and for granting us this iron of emperor, yeah. Babylon system, Otaada, Haile Selassie, government is Babylon system, Otaada.
Necessary that at the present time Ethiopian people should join in all the works of government. Yes, we have therefore set up 2 chambers of parliament so that everyone who's suitable qualified for this task should become participant in the works. This idea and this plan have never been carried out in no part of the world. Ethiopia did not progress in 2 or 3 centuries. This has been brought about by Haile Selassie in one rapid movement forward.
Babylon system, Otaada, Haile Selassie, I have government, Alaada. Babylon system, Otaada, Haile Selassie, I government, Alaada.
Haile Selassie is the first absolute ruler who voluntarily wrote the Ethiopian Constitution in 1931. The Ethiopian Constitution is rules that is based on law, that bring the people into partnership in the works of government. In former time, kings used to rule the people according to their own will. There used to be a good deal of upheaval and divergence between the people as well as the members of the royal family. While Amlak being above every creature, would not find it difficult to issue order by his word alone. Yet it is the true law is because he knew that he should be the supreme ruler of the whole world.